Well, a couple of you touched on labor, but I'd like to revisit that a little bit in terms of automation and some of the things that you're doing to make sure that you're getting the most out of your team. So whether we talked a little bit about your delivery team, but let's talk about production, Ross. Like, what are some things that that you've looked at to help sort of streamline how they're helping you get this laundry done?
Yeah, I mean, we stagger shifts, so somebody starts in the morning, typically 30 to an hour before anybody else comes in, so that everything can be in the wash already. And then they kind of split up amongst themselves who's going to continue loading the washer to dryer and then to folding. Yeah, that's it for me.
Okay, good. Kelly, you want to talk about labor a little bit more?
So one thing that we have implemented in our stores, we've in the past always had 2 shifts of workers. We currently added smart lockers to each of our locations, which allows us to only have 1 shift from 2 until close. Our smart lockers notify us when a drop has been put into the lockers so that we can either have second shift process it or we can actually put it on the route for pickup and delivery. As far as our warehouse, we have everything preloaded the night before, so we set our washers to start approximately an hour before our shift comes in. So when they come in, they can go ahead and start processing the laundry, and that helps save quite a bit of time. Our driver comes in approximately 2 hours after our first shift of processors come in. We have 2 shifts. The first shift comes in around 4 a.m. and the second shift of processors comes in approximately 9 a.m. All of our stores are strictly first and second shift. We don't have any 24-hour stores. Sometimes we do stay longer in the warehouse depending on the orders we get. We do try to get our team members home, at a fairly reasonable hour. It just makes for a good working environment for us and our team members.
Yeah, especially these days, like those
Yes.
lifestyle considerations for your team become that much more important. And Kathy, you talked about auto injection, but what are some other things that you're looking at in terms of automation and optimizing your team? Because you've got a lot of laundry to do.
Yes. So in our plant, we do most days run 24 hours, Monday through Friday, and we stagger shifts as well. So our first shift comes in around 3 in the morning. She gets things washing and ready, and the rest of the team comes in throughout the morning. We also do it a little different, that we have certain employees that only do the washing and some that only do the folding, so that not everyone is loading machines and dryers. We think that really cuts down on the chance of error, and it lets our folders just totally focus on folding and really increases their speeds.
Wow. Okay, I'm wondering if I would be a loader or a folder.
Right.
I like to think I'm pretty good at folding.